stock body.
Okay,
like
is it just pulled? What's going on, guys? Made it to the meet. We made it to a meet. We actually made it to a meet. Talk to him later. But we're gonna do a quick walk around, see if we can find Mikey. But we actually made it this time. We always like it's too late, you know. So it's good that we made it this time. I have one of these 7 series. I just got one of those memories from the Snapchat that tells you like it shows you what happened that day, like from memories. Yeah, it looked nice.
To be honest, I like how the pink suspenders are them because they look like they're not bolt on, they're like molded.
Oh, I should get my light out, dude.
Here, you want my flashlight?
Yeah, please.
Oh my god, it's sparkling.
Ooh, is it wrap? It's wrap, right? Yeah, it's wrap. You can tell.
Yeah, it definitely
That's
is.
pretty nice. That's cool. I like this color.
But I like how they did the fenders because
Oh, wait.
it's molded.
That's not wide body though.
Is it not?
I don't think so.
That's got.
Can you shine your light? I don't think so, bro. I think it just pulls.
Oh, just mold.
I think so. I don't think it's wide body. Yeah, I don't think so, bro. I don't think it's wide.
I don't think so.
Yeah, cause they come pretty wide already. I think it's like it's either pulled or like. Yeah.
Dude, I tested it like 3 seconds ago.
All right, talk about this. What is it? Is it a wrap? Is it a paint?
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap. Is it Paradox?
No.
It's not?
It's Arctic Works, actually.
Arctic Works. Okay, that's cool. I don't know what that is, but that sounds cool.
It's my friend from Sacramento.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
He did his cards right here.
Both of them? Is this like one of your friends too? Oh, it's hers? Oh, this is cool, yeah.
This is the famous.
We were.
Huh?
Wait, famous?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
What?
You're famous?
No, I'm not famous.
Cabin? Oh. Oh, we were gonna ask if this is a wide body or anything like that.
Oh no, this is just stock body.
Okay,
I like
is it
to
just
keep
pulled or
it-
something?
Huh?
Is it like pulled, like the fenders?
Yeah.
Oh, see, I was telling you it was
I mean,
pulled, yeah.
Before it was like the fitment was just not it, so I rolled the fenders.
Oh, gotcha.
Got some camera arms, upper control arms, everywhere. Yeah.
What are you running on your tire, or is it wheels?
19 by 11 and a half.
Ah, bro, that's wider than mine. She on stock body.
Can you go rev your
Dang,
car?
that's crazy.
Is it loud? A little bit. Can you rev it?
Why?
Okay. Is that a vlog?
It's a vlog, yeah, but I don't have a big following.
Andrew, is your car?
I don't have a big following.
It's okay.
Is my car loud? My car is hella quiet, bro.
Are you gonna rev it?
All right, let's go listen to her. Let's go listen to her supercharger. We're gonna on hella fast, bro. Oh,
I need to get my transmission fixed so I can do a burner.
yo. Oh wait, this is R3.
Come on in.
Real quick, air out. Damn. Hey.
Andrew, when you get back?
When I fucking get my power shit done first. Bags are an end game item for me.
I drove a better sounding one.
Okay.
Yeah.
You about to talk about it?
Yeah.
I haven't seen you since you got it, bro.
I know, what's good?
How you doing? Ah!
No, it's good, it's good.
Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing already? You got down pipes, that's all?
We got mid pipes,
Mid
down
pipes.
pipes, turbo inlet,
Turbo inlet. Oh, what the fuck?
cold air intake, and then the intercooler's on the way.
You got corn yet? I saw you. I saw it.
E30,
okay.
E30.
Not full on
For
yet?
like another month or two.
Damn, okay.
And then I'll go full E.
Damn, that's hella cool.
I just got it.
Wait,
I
so
had
what'd
it
you
for
do?
3
What'd you do
weeks.
with your car? Your other one?
At home.
It's still at home?
Yeah, I
Your
need,
daily
somebody to
now?
drive. I need a girlfriend to drive it.
Oh, you need a girlfriend. Hey!
I need a
you
girlfriend
take
to drive
girlfriend
that shit for me.
applications, bro.
I wish. If I had a girl, I'd be like, baby, can you drive my other car?
That's pretty good. He just finished up on a customer's RS3 that's like full bolt on. Shit's nice. Did you finish it, right?
85, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got the fuel injectors and
God
everything.
damn.
That's one right here.
Just one on the side?
Yeah. It's
Nah, I think you should keep those, bro. Those are.
But nobody has a single back RS.
Okay, but nobody has
a single back
has the
RS3.
fat ass oval Audi fucking tips either.
Yeah. But fucking, that's the engine that they put in the Supers.
Yeah, the B58, right?
Yeah, so
yeah.
yeah,
But what
that-
did he
that-
not? He didn't have upgraded turbos though.
Nah, it's hot. He didn't murder me, but like he definitely did me.
That's still. I don't know.
Yeah, he definitely got me, but
Wow, that's surprising though.
That's
a 340,
I told you I
right?
need that intercooler.
Yeah.
And that turbo in it, 'cause
And
this
then
shit
you
gets
get a
hella
bigger
hot.
tune, right?
But it gets
Yeah.
really hot.
No, but honestly though, once you push that much boost, heat soak is a real thing. Ari's here, I gotta find her. I think it sounds kind of cool. Oh, but there's like no exhaust. Where's the exhaust, bro? Just like an open downpipe. I like Mark 3. It's not a VR6. This is a guy that came up to me and like gave me a high five. Let me see if he fixed it bumper. Hold on. Oh, you got a new bumper. That's cool. I know. I drove a long way, bro.
10. Hey!
Oh, we made it to 10? Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah, here's the supercharger. I'm ready.
Fuck, move that fucking camera away.
I'm ready.
You gotta go out back.
I want to hit the supercharger. Senor Roberto, how you doing? How you doing?
How about you?
Good, good. You came a long way.
Nah, still the same.
No, I mean from where you live.
Oh, still the same.
When you supposed to get your turbo shit done?
Whenever I decide to do it, I'm just lazy.
I mean, that's my issue right now too. Is like we have hella shit to do on my car, but like I'm so lazy to even buy it. Like I haven't even bought it yet. That's how lazy I am.
I've had it for over a year.
Oh really?
What's up,
What's up?
I'm too fucking short for
Came
this
hella
life.
late, bro.
I'm like, I'm too short for this life, bro.
I told you. I was gonna be here at 9:30.
9:30.
I was here at 9:45.
That's around 9:45.
Oh shit! What's wrong with you and trying to
Dude, you're
4K,
tripping.
bro? Fuck you, bro. I like how there's actually in the lights you can see the paint and stuff.
That's VW snowball.
Oh, it does have VW. Oh shit! I didn't see you. How you doing? I didn't see you. What do you think about that, bro? It's not bad. I like the front bumper, and I know the hood's not functional, but it kind of looks kind of cool.
If the wing.
All right, Nigel with the flashlight. It's kind of cool. Nice little fitment. Is that static? That's static, bro. That has to be. I don't know what rim. These look like rotiforms, but I don't think they are. They're not rotiforms, right?
No.
They look like rotiforms.
Some knockoffs.
It's okay. Hey, rep gang, bro.
It says Art in Motion.
Huh?
On the wheels. It says
Hey,
Art. Oh,
views.
it's totally a fuck light.
I like. I like. This looks really nice. Can you get your ramen? Dude, Robert, dude, them. I don't know if I like that sound. I've seen him before, Mr. Joker. I will, actually, I would do that to get an N54
Well,
again.
we do work on BMWs. Any help? I like this red.
Oh, it's a half rock guy. We saw the red? Oh. They're looking. They're looking. They're like, what the fuck's wrong with this car? Like, why would you do this to a car? That's what they're looking at right now. They're like, oh, this thing is so bad. Where you go? Where you go? No, in IKEA, by IKEA, right? Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Just we're all going. Alright, let's do it. So, you wanna come? Hey, we're gonna go to IKEA. Yeah, I'll just go with you.
Alright,
Come.
let's go.
Okay, let's go. We gotta go. Alright, IKEA In and Out. IKEA In and Out. The one we passed on the way here. We're going to IKEA In and Out. So. Who is? Like all these people. You know, them. Alright, well, I'm not sure how many people are mobbing to IKEA, but definitely a few people are mobbing to IKEA. So we're gonna have a little cruise drive over there and see what happens. guys, so we made it to In-N-Out. We came up to In-N-Out at IKEA. But everybody.
Nasty truck just went by.
Yeah,
Never get one.
Why does he have a 1320 video? A sticker on there. I don't think he can go a quarter mile.
Interesting. Anyways, my point was this might be the end of the video for today, but if it is, I'll just clip it with whatever's gonna happen on Sunday. Oh my god, so I came into the other side of his bank, like drive-through thing, and Dr. came on the other side, and now we're going this way, and he played himself. Look at him having reverse over here. Alright guys, we're using these Iridium IX spark plugs. These are the BKR7EIX. And yeah, got the spark plug socket. Got one of these because I'm going to gap them to 0.028. Let's see how it goes. Alright, coil packs come out now. Easy. Alright, taking out the spark plugs. We got 2 out. Take them apart. Alright, these are the new ones. Gonna go in. We only have 3 of them in. That's one. So it's misfiring, right? This doesn't look right. It doesn't look right at all. Alright, got the new ones in. Right there. Seems like it's working. We'll see on the way home. Alright, so as of right now, seems to be okay. We're taking a drive. 126 degrees on the coolant temp though, and it's really low on there. So this these spark plugs are 1 step colder. I don't know how much like colder that actually really is, but it is a performance one, like a performance upgrade for this car. They were gapped at 0.032, and I actually just left them at 0.032 after looking at the forums and stuff like that, and what APR recommends for their stage 2 plus. I think not until you're KO4 you want to be 0.028. So when I do go KO4, I'll have to gap them at 0.028. But for now, I think it should be good. I'll get back to you guys to see if either I make it home safe or I start misfiring. But we're gonna drive around a little bit too. All right, so good news. I've been driving for about 5-6-ish minutes. It's actually started to get the temperature up to what it's normally like operating at. Coolant temperature is at 185 now. Usually it does do a little like what do you call it? It goes up to 190 on the gauge right there, and it drops down again to like 160. Same thing with the coolant, drops down to 160 usually, and that's because the intercooler and all the radiators and all that stuff start working after it gets to a certain heat level. So I'm gonna wait for that to happen. After that, I'm going to just give it a little bit of a juice and beans and see how she does. But I'm telling you already that this is super much better, and you can actually probably see the gauge start going down right there on the left side. But yeah, it's super much better already, because I wish I had a video for you, but because before, like driving from my house to work, it literally like did not want to drive. It stuttered going anywhere. It went like going like that, and I basically baby limp moded to work. And right now it's driving perfectly normal, and basically just gotta do a pull test, and that's basically all it is. No knocks either. I was knocking at like -4 and -6 on full throttle last night, which was insane. I've never seen that before. But so I did like 3 or 4 pulls right there, and they're pretty heavy, full throttle pulls, and it feels great. It actually feels better, like, which is kind of insane to think about, but it feels like it actually gets up more faster. And also before, I again wish I had videos for you guys, but literally like I would get to around 100 miles per hour in Mexico, and it would literally just die. Like it felt like the car just stopped working. And again, just looking at that spark plug that I showed you guys in cylinder 3, it was basically running on 3 cylinders. Like it had to have been, or like, you know, whatever, 3.5 or whatever, because that thing was not there. Like there was nothing there. The little tip on the electrode or the spark plug was just non-existent. And now it's like, I feel like it's like 10 times better. The car was fast before. I thought this car was pretty fast, but now it feels a lot faster. So I'm really happy. The temperature actually seems to be staying lower than it usually is. Usually it runs around like 210 after some pulls, but right now it's actually like 195, and there's 0 knock, like not even the -3 that you would get sometimes from just being a Volkswagen. I have 0 knock right now. All the fuel trims are good. Like literally everything is perfect, like more perfect than it was before. So I'm really happy, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, following along the journey. You know, anything that happens, I'm just gonna start filming now. So stay tuned, guys.